The tour guide, the woman with tattoos on her arms in the photo, is very enthusiastic and lively. There is also a bilingual guide in English and Spanish. It is a very interesting cultural experience. However, the weather is very hot in August. Remember to bring enough water and a hat, otherwise it may get hot. Don't bother to listen to the tour guide's explanation. Amazing tour guide, David was very knowledgeable and engaging in his guiding. Definitely a must-do/visit in Barcelona. The meetup place can be difficult to find, and is far from the usual Park Guell entrance. Just follow the map and you'll see this lovely shop in the corner, that's the meetup place. Voucher is confusing. I booked 3:45 but the voucher said meetup at 2 p.m. Guide was brilliant. Knowledgeable guide and convenient booking. Highly recommended. Reasons: price, the park is nice and beautiful, worth to go it. Although the instructions state to meet at the main entrance, there are at least 3 main entrances. So you really have to click on the exact GPS location. We learned it the hard way and only managed to find the tour with the help of the park officials. The park itself was interesting and with the guide you can appreciate Gaudi work. The tour itself isn't too long, about an hour, and you can roam around the park on your own thereafter. A very beautiful park, as if in the world of fairy tales. Easy and fast. The tourist guide Clara is very accommodating and jolly while explaining every details of the Park Guell. Must visit. It was not the service provided by Park Guell, but it was confirmed that there was no map of the name of the tour guide company and the location map. The staff at the entrance was completely unclear, and the main entrance became an exit. Park Guell is must-visit site in Barcelona. It is full of beautiful artwork,